If there was a video camera in the produce aisle at your local grocery store, it would capture some pretty odd behavior. Before it goes in the shopping cart, whatever it is, we'll examine it for imperfections. We'll feel it, squeeze it, smell it, knock on it, even listen to it, and we'll think to ourselves, I can't believe that lady in front of me didn't grab this one. It's obviously perfect. It's red and it's round and it's ripe and fresh and it's juicy and delicious and nutritious and... Whoa! Hold up, cowboy. You were doing pretty well there until you got to the nutritious part. Chances are, it's not. Or at least not as much as it could be. Think back to 8th grade science class. Those nutrients in our fruits and vegetables don't just magically appear. They come from the soil. Every day, we take more good stuff out of the soil than we give back. 13 essential nutrients living naturally in the soil in order to feed our crops become more depleted with every growing season. It's the only reason there's a great big aisle of vitamin supplements in that same grocery store where you bought the tomato. Purple Cow Organics knows that giving back to the earth is a responsibility that's long overdue. And it's not just in the best interests of the soil, but every body that walks on it. There is a recipe, a very careful, very patient, very precise recipe for giving back to the earth. It's part science, part passion, and it was crafted by Purple Cow Organics. It is what Mother Nature would brew up if you and I weren't constantly getting in her way. It's also not for everybody. But if you're a longer-term thinker than that, if quality is just as important as quantity, if pure is just as important as pretty, then there's a good chance that you'll appreciate the care and craftsmanship that can only come from Purple Cow. For you, there's a chance to pay it forward. For you, centuries of take ends this season. For you, there's Purple Cow Organics. Good soil, good life.